welcome to another edition of the Interstellar Modeler. What I'm going to do in the next series of videos is just to kind of step you through the process of building this model here from Forbidden Planet. This particular spaceship is from an old movie, if you're not familiar with it. If you're a sci-fi fan, I can't imagine that you aren't. It's a movie called Forbidden Planet, and it came out in the 1950s. Basically is credited for influencing a lot of science fiction that came on after that, particularly Star Trek. And this movie also featured Robbie the Robot, which is probably one of the most famous robots in science fiction. Anyway, this is a pretty simple ship to build. It looks like this flying saucer, basically, and my plan is to build it just like you see here in the landed position. And let me just kind of go through what's inside the kit. Alright, so let's take a look inside. Of course, we have the instructions. And then we have here the bottom dome, along with the engine assembly here. I'm not going to be using this because I plan to build it in the landed position. And we have the two halves of the saucer section here. And then the dome from the upper dome here, as well as the pieces for the ramps. Now, I actually plan to light this kit, and so what I think I'm going to do is use some LED strip lighting to put on the inner side here, and what I plan to do is get the lighting to shine down above each of the ramps so that they're like spotlights there. And that will make the model hopefully a little more interesting to look at. And so yeah, looks like it's going to be a pretty straightforward build, and so I will kind of give you some highlights as we go along.